This ribeye is juicy, buttery, delicious, and easy to make.
Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making some garlic herb butter ribeye steak with a balsamic glaze and some sides. Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! I'm using this Taste the Difference steak and it's about 285 grams. Right, so I'm going to wash this and we're going to season it. Time to add some simple spices on the steak. Right, so I'm using this one. It's salt-free and MSG-free. So let's go in with a bit of avocado oil, some black pepper, going in with some salt. And now for this one. Now we're just going to rub all of that over the steak. And once we've rubbed it all in, we're going to set that aside and then we move on to the next. Let's get some flavor onto our veggies. Now put some salt, black pepper. We're going in with some thyme. Just decided I want to add a few fennel seeds to this as well. And now for our garlic. Now for a clean tongue, we're just going to mix this all up. Let's transfer all of this to a roasting tin. We're going to pop these in the oven and roast for about 30 minutes or until they're nice and caramelized at 200 degrees centigrade. Our veggies are done. Let's add some oil to our heated pan. I don't know if you can see the shimmering on the oil, so now we're ready to put our steak in. I'm going to fry that for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side and then flip and cook for 3 to 4 minutes as well. Okay, we're 3 minutes in for on the other side, and now we're going in with some rosemary and thyme. We're going to add a bit of butter on that as well. Right, in with some butter. Man, this smells so great. Right, we're going to set it aside to rest on a plate and a cover. We're going to pop these sweet corn under the grill just to get a bit of charred on top of that, and I'm pouring some garlic butter on top of them. Guys, I forgot to put the garlic when I was frying my steak, so I'm just going to infuse it in the same pan before I add the balsamic glaze. Just for a few minutes in with the balsamic vinegar. But we're just going to let this reduce on medium to low for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let's mash our potato. I'm using some of the flavored oil and butter from frying the steak in. Going in with lots of melted butter. We're going in with some double cream. We're just going to mix this until it's really nice and creamy. I've got some grated Parmesan, fresh one, and I'm going also in with some chive. and just mix until we got a nice smooth mash. Right, look at that. Beautiful mash, beautiful. And now we're going in with a pinch of black pepper. If you have white pepper, you can use that, but I like black pepper. I'm just going to give that another little mix. Just put it back on the fire just to keep it warm until we're ready to serve up. So we're going to have a little taste. Our glaze is ready. Beautiful. See that beautiful blush? Really gorgeous blush. Let's finish off this balsamic glaze in with the juice from the steak whilst it was resting. We're going to go in with about a teaspoon of honey, just for a little bit of sweetness. Just give it a little mix and let's plate up. Just a little bit of green for a pop of color. If you like proper home cooked meals like this, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Look at this baby. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Woo-hoo!
Sunshine into your life.